Guys, welcome once again to the DongCheng Power Tools from GZ Industrial Supplies. Okay, today guys, we are going to show you how powerful and efficient this machine is. This is our DongCheng Electric Cut-Off Machine. You can see it. Very nice, portable, and it's handy. It's actually a new model type, the DJG04355X. So what are we going to do today? We are going to test run this machine and see how efficient it works. So you can also learn how to use this tool in your workspace at any time. First, these are your brush. It comes with two brushes, you can see. And your manual, you have to go through this manual before you start making use of this machine. And this is your cut-off wheel. This is your cut-off wheel. And this is the machine. So let's install this and see how it works. First, you remove this. And you do this, have to release it. Remove it. This is the second holder. And this is your cut-off wheel. It goes in this way. You must ensure that it sits very well before you put up the holder. And then the bolt and nut. You have to make sure that it's been tightened very well for safety. And then this can go back. Then you tighten it very well to hold it firm. So what are these for? First, you remove this. This is actually your adjustable. You can adjust it. It helps to hold the metal you are about to cut. It helps to hold the metal firmly, so it can be adjustable. You can see it. So we are going to try it with, you can easily put it this way. So we are going to try a metal on this to cut it and see how it works. First thing you have to do first is you have to ensure that your cord is being connected. You ensure that your cord is being connected properly to a power source. This is your cord. You check you can see how thick it is. You have to ensure that the cord is being connected properly. And then we are going to try this. We are going to try this with cutting of this metal to see how it works. I'm going to try it. So first, let's tighten this very well. So let's see how it cuts, how properly this machine is and efficient. We're going to run this up to see how it goes. So come over. You can see how efficient this machine cuts. You can see it. You can see it. Take a good shape out. This is the DongCheng DJG04355S. Very powerful, very efficient, and it's affordable. You can reach us from GZ Industrial Supplies online. You can call any of our number online there. We can give you, we are all over Nigeria. We are in Abuja, we are in Calabar, we are in Port Harcourt, we are in Lagos. Wherever you are in Nigeria, we can deliver it direct to you. You're welcome. This is GZ Industrial Supplies with DongCheng Power Tools. Remain blessed. See you next time, guys.